Bharatiya Arogya Nidhi Hospital has been growing in Mumbai since 1976, known for its expertise in treating all kinds of ailments due to its excellent consultants and services provided. Bharatiya Arogya Nidhi Hospital has been using our Sensys EasyTDS software since 2010. After this long journey with us, they have a lot to say to us about their experience using our Sensys EasyTDS software. Let's hear from Mr. Dinesh Shah about their experience with us.
My name is Dinesh Chandrakant Shah. I am working with Bharatiya Arogya Nidhi Hospital. This is a trust hospital, and since 2010 we are using e-TDS software package of Sensys Technologies. It is a very easy, very convenient and smooth package, and it saves time and saves the entries made by us. So anytime we can refer that particular previous month entry. But it is very simple and good package, and we continuously using from 2010, and in future also we will use your package only.